What's up, you guys? It's your girl Leah and I'm back with another vibe. So I haven't seen you guys for I think like over a year now, and this year we're mainly basically focusing on hair and beauty, and I'm going to be showing you guys this hair that I found on Amazon. What I'm going to do first is install it for you guys, and then I'm going to give it about a week or two, and I'm going to let you guys know about the quality of this hair and if it's a green light or a red flag. If you're new to this channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know the vibe. So let's get into the video. So this is the packaging that it came in. Not gonna lie, I was a little confused. Right out the packaging, it comes in this little bag. And voila. This is the bag I was expecting, but I was expecting it to be like in a box. So I think that's why I was a little confused. Also give you an invisible HD wig cap. Here she is. Oh, we're matching with the jacket.
When I get you with the jabata, me I no get time, I did jabata. That cover my face, calling me that bata. Biggie man, we don't be where I bata. Tell me, what's it come? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all depend. Die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to get to my way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the whip, I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the whip, I no feet.
I can already tell you, like right now, this hair does shed a lot. curling it, like going back through the curls, it did shed a little bit more. Y'all look at my cheek. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a 2-week update on this hair once I've had it in for 2 weeks. But this is the finished look. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, sorry I didn't take you guys through the process of me styling it. If y'all want more detailed videos, please let me know in the comments down below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.